Namaste. In this video, let us understand the role of the policy of protection in the developing countries. Trade policy is a policy of the government towards international trade. Broadly, trade policy consists of the policy of a free trade and policy of protection. The policy of protection is advocated in favor of developing countries because developing countries are confronted with special problems of development. So, to initiate the process of development and expedite the process of development, they need to impose protection, they need to impose a tariff and regulate their international trade. So, trade shall be the engine of economic growth. So, protection has a special role to play in the economic development of developing countries, and let us understand one by one various arguments in favor of protection by the developing countries. Many economies strongly advocate the policy of protection as an instrument of initiating and accelerating the process of development of UDCs. Economists like Raoul Prebisch, W. W. Singer, Arthur Lewis, Gunnar Myrdal, etc., they prominently argue in favor of a protection. Policy of protection is still relevant and helpful in the era of globalization for developing countries. It allows the government to promote domestic producers and thereby boost production by imposing tariff or otherwise by limiting foreign trade in the marketplace. The most important argument is the infant industry argument. To protect the infant industries is the most traditional excuse adopted by many underdeveloped countries. Underdeveloped countries have many sunrise industries with great potential to be transformed into international business. Yet they have to realize the cost advantage from economies of scale. Only when they expand their production, they can enjoy the cost reduction and they can withstand foreign competition. So they need time. So they need time to enlarge the market share, train the labor, learn to adopt the most cost efficient method. Therefore, they need protection. As such, they need temporary protection from the low-cost foreign producers until they are able to compete with foreign countries on equal footing. So, tariffs are put up, making the once cheap foreign goods to be artificially expensive. Now, local producers can raise prices, thus enable them to enjoy some profit and encourage them to be in business, expand their industrial activity and develop business so that in future under the umbrella protection they gain capacity to withstand foreign competition. So this is the most important argument, that is infant industry argument. Coming to the second important argument, a nation participates in international trade in order to have a share in the gains from international trade. Most of the developing countries, they face the problem of decline in the share in the gains from international trade. So when trade is taking place between developing countries and the developed countries enjoys larger share in the gains from international trade. So developing countries continuously face unfavorable balance of payment, unfavorable terms of trade. So naturally their share also declines. So in order to have larger share in the gains from international trade, they resort to the policy of protection. Therefore, many economies argue that developing countries should impose tariff on their imports and exports as a means of improving the terms of trade to improve the balance of payment. Most of the developing countries face the problem of current account deficits, unfavorable balance of payment. Their imports exceed their exports, so they need to restrict imports and encourage exports. So it is the policy of protection. So in the initial stages of development, the developing countries are prone to experience deficit in the balance of payment. So in the initial days of economic development, a developing country has to resort to the policy of protection of encouraging export and discouraging imports that will improve the balance of payment position. Most of the developing countries face the problem of acute shortage of capital. So they need to conserve the scarce capital what they have. So they need to discourage outflow of capital, encourage inflow of capital. So naturally they need to restrict imports and encourage exports so that there will be inflow of capital into the economy, and that will help the country suffering from capital shortage. Imposition of tax or tariffs help the country in attracting foreign capital into the domestic economy. When tariffs are imposed, the returns on the scarce factors of production will increase. As capital is a scarce factor of production in most of the developing countries, tariff will push up the rate of interest and encourage foreign capital into the domestic economy, and that will help the developing country in the process of development. Another important argument is anti-dumping argument. We know dumping is a trade strategy under which a foreign company sell its output in the domestic market at a low price in order to capture the market. So the object of dumping is to capture a foreign market or to clear unsold stocks. So generally, developed countries resort to dumping their product in the developing countries of the world. So developing countries has to react, they have to retaliate by, so protection is resorted to prohibit, to restrict the dumping strategy adopted by the developed countries of the world so as to encourage domestic industries, domestic market, etc. Infant economy argument. Gunnar Myrdal developed the infant economy argument in favor of the policy of protection of developing countries of the world. The developing countries, being weak and inexperienced, would not be in a position to compete with developed economies in their early stages of development. So these economies also suffer from various kinds of structural deficiencies and factor disproportionalities. These factors make it necessary for the developing countries to impose protective measures. So in this video, we have understood various arguments in favor of protection. So why developing countries prefer the policy of protection. Thank you.